In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a video game style video with Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section, and here you need to create an account. Actually, there is a trial of 3 days for just $1. That way, you can try the platform for only that, $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings, and here in model, we're going to use the model Seedance 2.5. Now in the duration, you could use up to 30 seconds long, and in the aspect ratio, if you want the video to be horizontal, here you need to choose 16:9. Now here you can upload images, audios, and videos of reference, and here is where we have to write the prompt. In this case is this one, and here the important section is this one. This is the section where I describe the style of the video. All this other section is where I describe what will happen in the scene. So if you want to do a video with this style, but about another thing, you have to erase this, write about your scene, and then paste this. So well, let's put this back. And now we have to click this button, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. And there we have it. I really like it, the style. So if you like it as well, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section, and remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.